I am hungry.
Me too. What do you want for lunch?
I want pizza today. Pizza sounds good.
Do you want to order delivery?
Yes, I want to try ordering. I want to order by myself.
That is a good idea.
I want to practice my English. I will watch and help you. Okay, I open the Take your time. I want a cheese pizza. That sounds very good.
Maybe one vegetable pizza too.
2 pizzas are perfect.
Wait, there is a question here.
What does it say? It says number of people.
Oh, it asks how many people will eat.
We are 2 people. 1 is good, right?
Usually you put the real number, but 1 is okay.
Okay, I put 1. Are you sure? Are you sure? Did you check the final order?
I think it's fine. I will confirm now. All right, done. The pizza is coming soon.
Great. How long will it take? It says 30 minutes. Perfect. We can wait. I think I hear the doorbell. The pizza is here. I'll get the door. What?
So many pizzas?
I only ordered for 1.
Oh no, I typed 1, but it says 10 here.
Let me see your phone. What? How did this happen?
The app already had a 0. When you typed 1, it became 10. Excuse me, there was a mistake with our order. We only wanted pizza for 1 person, not 10.
I understand, but the order says 10 people.
I know. My mistake with the number.
I'm sorry, but the order is confirmed. You need to pay for all 10 pizzas.
I see.
Here is our order, 10 pizzas.
How much is it? Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
I can't believe it! I only wanted pizza for 1!
Don't worry. Mistakes happen to everyone. What should we do with all these pizzas?
Let me think. Maybe we can share them. I'll call Emma. I'll call Mia and Mac. Our friends are coming!
This is gonna be fun.
Hi, everyone! Come in!
We're so happy you're here.
This pizza is delicious!
Let's eat and enjoy together.
This is so much fun!
I'm glad we shared the pizzas with everyone.
I want to try this cheese pizza. I'll try the vegetable pizza. Here, take a slice. Let's share and enjoy together. I can't believe I ordered 10 pizzas by mistake.
It's okay. It turned into a fun pizza party.